Dyslexic Genius here. We're finally back on the Edison Gem. I'm trying to get a couple of machines out for Thanksgiving, and we want to make the Edison Gem run a lot quieter. And the trick to this is I cut out some bicycle inner tube gaskets like this. And they mount in here where these screw holes are. So what we're going to, four of them. So what we want to do is we want to hold them in place a little. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit of shellac on it to hold it in place with an illustrious Starbucks stopper. We love Starbucks stoppers. They're good for grease and a little work. So you just come in here and we just line up the hole, press it in place, move it around so you can get through.
But couldn't you have used glue?
I could have used glue, but I'm using shellac on this one.
Why?
I thought it'd work better. Now that'll harden up and it'll hold it in place. Just enough to hold it in place.
But if you didn't have shellac, you could just
You could use like Elmer's glue or something, a wood glue. But the shellac's going to hold it just in one little place. I'm using shellac because clockmakers will work on a piece on the lathe and they will shellac the piece onto the part they're using to machine it. That's why this works so well. Whoops, I don't want to lose that into the shellac.
Yeah, we'd have to go back to Starbucks.
Yeah, let's go back to Starbucks and get a mocha. And I will let those dry overnight. Remember, well, I'm doing this because on Edison's, like a diamond disc, I've talked about putting the bicycle inner tube over the motor mounts, the 3 motor mounts to quiet it down because Edison used to use felt. Like on this, on a Gem, it's going to make it a little bit quieter. We're separating the motor from the casting a little to get the noise down and away. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's my tip for the day.